Welcome to the 8th part of the chapter Weather, Climate and Adaptation. Let's start today's chapter.
Students, in the last part of the chapter, we have discussed about the geographical position of the deserts. These hot deserts are located in the tropical regions near equator, and the climatic conditions over there are very dry and hot during the daytime, but it becomes cold at night time. And there is acute shortage of water in the desert, and therefore there are hardly any vegetation over there. Now we will study about the adaptations in hot desert animals. Animals adapted to live in hot deserts are camels, kangaroos, rats, coyotes, cottontail rabbits, rattlesnakes, white-tailed antelopes, squirrels, barn owls, and there are many more other animals which are generally found in the hot desert animals. The animals which are there in the deserts, they have to protect themselves from the scorching heat, and they need to conserve the water in their body. Therefore, they have the following adaptations. The first is to avoid heat. During the daytime it is very hot, so to avoid this heat, most desert animals remain inactive during the daytime and they remain inside their burrows. But they come out when at the night time when the temperature gets lowered down. Now such animals which are active at night and are inactive during daytime, they are called as nocturnal animals. So generally the hot desert animals are the nocturnal animals. The sweat glands are absent in the hot desert animals. And why is it so? The skin of desert animals does not have any sweat glands. The third is they excrete thick urine. All the desert animals excrete concentrated urine. So in order to prevent the loss of water from their body. Now let's see what are the adaptations which are found in camel. Camel is so well adapted to desert conditions that it is called as the ship of the desert. There are many features in the camel which enable it to survive it very perfectly in the desert conditions. Now let us see what are those features. The limbs of camels have large pads. Limbs of the camels have large pads which help it to walk on hot sand and slippery sand without sinking into it. So these limbs help, these limbs which are having the large pads, they help the camel to walk very smoothly without sinking into the sand. It has a hump which stores food in the form of fat, and therefore a camel can survive without food for a longer period of time. A camel can drink a large quantity of water up to 40 liters at one time and stores it in the water cells of stomach wall. So the camel can survive in the desert without drinking any water because already the large amount of water is stored in its body. The nostrils have flaps. The nostrils have flaps which close the nostrils during a dust storm. This way these camels prevent themselves from the dust storm by closing their flaps of the nostrils. The eyes have 2 layers of long eyelashes, and again this is a very special feature which help the camel to protect it from the sand during the dust storm. A camel can adjust its body temperature also according to the surrounding air. The camel's metabolism lowers at night and thus lowers the temperature of the body. The body color is very light, and this is also one kind of adaptation of a camel, that it reflects the most of the heat, and in this way the body does not become hot. At number 8, it excretes very less and concentrated urine. As I told you that all the hot desert animals, they excrete very less amount of urine in order to conserve water in their body.
Sure.
Their lips are thick so that sand cannot get through its mouth. The lips are very thick in camel's body. This way also, by closing their thick lips, they can prevent their mouth from the sandstorm. At number 10, they have thick fur and underwool. This feature prevents the temperature of the body of the camel. At 11, thick leathery patches on the knees to protect it from getting burned when it kneels on the hot sand in the desert. Now we'll come to the end of today's session. The rest of the topics will be covered in the other parts of the video. Thank you.